Hi everyone, this is Portt. It's a time machine for your photos. And you can pick any photo you love, a street, a landmark, a selfie in front of something old. Then you can just simply spin the wheel and travel across time. Here's what makes the Portt different. It doesn't slap a filter on your face. It actually researches what objects in your photo looked like back then and rebuilds the entire scene from scratch. Like as you can see in here, in background objects like cars and people are changed to spirit of the era. Let's make an example. This is a photo of you and it's a simple cafe photo. It's like a selfie. So you would like to just jump over time. As you can see, there are some different eras made with Portt. So if you would like to go to the French Revolution, let's pick the date. And it's November. Let's pick a random date, then jump over time. We simply make a research about your photo and what kind of objects around it. This happens on your device, going to our servers. So analyzing your photo and getting the details from the era that you have picked. Yep, here you can see there is a flag in here and people are waiting for the revolution. And here you can see all the historical details about that era. And as you can see, the clothing has been changed to that era's spirit. And it's not only about the time, you can also travel across the places. You can just pick any other place and you can jump over time to the different places as well. So the Portt is free for 3 days, so you can just try and leave a review to here. And thank you so much for your interest. Goodbye.